In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send disappearing messages on Telegram. Disappearing messages on Telegram work through something called a secret chat. Secret chats are end-to-end encrypted, device-specific conversations where you can set a self-destruct timer so messages erase themselves after they're viewed for a certain amount of time. This is perfect for sharing sensitive details that you don't want sticking around. Start by opening the Telegram chat of the person you want to message. You'll be doing this from your existing conversation with them, so you don't have to search for a new thread. If you're on a computer, clicking works the same way as tapping on a phone. Now tap on their name or profile picture at the top of the screen. This opens the context details and chat options. It's the quickest way to access advanced features for that specific conversation. Next, tap the three dots, sometimes labeled More, and choose Start Secret Chat. Telegram will confirm that you're creating a separate secure thread. Keep in mind, this secret chat is tied to the device where you start it, and the other person may need to come online to accept. Your regular chat stays exactly as it is. The secret chat appears as a new conversation with a small lock icon. Once you're inside the new secret chat, tap the stopwatch icon. This is the self-destruct timer. It controls how long messages stay visible after they've been opened by the recipient. If you don't see the icon right away, make sure you're in the secret chat and not the regular one. Set your desired timer anywhere from 1 second to 1 week. Short timers are great for one-off codes or private notes, while longer timers work well for planning details that you only need for a few days. The timer applies to messages you send after you set it, and the countdown begins as soon as the recipient views the message. You can adjust the timer later if your needs change. Now type and send your message. You'll notice a small clock indicator on messages with a timer showing that they'll vanish automatically when time's up. Messages in secret chats can't be forwarded, and depending on the platform, Telegram may restrict or notify about screenshots. But remember, no digital tool can guarantee that someone won't capture your screen in another way. If something truly must remain private, share carefully. That's it. You've set up a secret chat, turned on the self-destruct timer, and sent a message that will disappear on its own.